If Discord is showing a gateway error, don't worry, because in this video I'll walk you through a few quick fixes that usually solve the problem fast. This can happen because of a Discord server issue, a temporary app glitch, or even a network problem on your device. The good news is that you can troubleshoot it step by step without needing any advanced skills. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. First, check the Discord status page. Open your browser and visit Discord's official status page to see whether there is a known outage or API issue. If Discord is having a server-side problem, then the issue is not on your device, and the best solution is usually to wait until the service is restored. This is an important first step because it can save you from changing settings that are not actually causing the error. Next, restart the Discord app completely. If you're on a computer, make sure Discord is fully closed. On Windows or Mac, right-click the Discord icon in your system tray or menu bar and choose Quit. Simply minimizing the app is not enough because the background process may still be running. If you're using Discord on mobile, swipe it away from your recent apps so it closes completely. Then reopen Discord and check if the gateway error is gone. A fresh restart often clears temporary connection issues. If the error is still there, clear your web cache. This step is especially useful if you are using Discord in a browser, but it can also help with the desktop app since it relies on cached data. Go into your browser settings and clear cookies and cached files. After that, restart the browser and sign back into Discord. Old or corrupted cache files can sometimes interfere with Discord connecting properly, so clearing them can make a big difference. Another effective fix is to flush your DNS. On Windows, open Command Prompt as an administrator and type ipconfig/flushdns, then press Enter. This clears out old network records and can help remove connection bottlenecks that may be preventing Discord from reaching its servers properly. If you are on another operating system, you can use the equivalent DNS refresh method for your device. After flushing the DNS, restart Discord and try connecting again. Now test Discord once more and see if the gateway error is resolved. In many cases, one of these steps will get everything working again. If the issue was caused by a temporary outage, the app should start working as soon as Discord is back online. If it was caused by cached data or a network conflict, the restart, cache clear, or DNS flush should help restore a stable connection. If you want more quick fixes like this, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. That helps support the content and lets you stay updated with more easy troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.